Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1966 Chevrolet. This is a true 118 Super Sport car. Neat little Nova guys. It's out of Alabama. It is a recent body-up restoration. You can see it's finished in Regal red. It has slick red paint on it. Again, real 118 Super Sport car. Just a tough little car. Unfortunately, I have not been able to drive this car. As you can see, we've got the nasty, sloppy weather, and so we're not going to run it down the road today. But my buddy Scott down in Tennessee, who's the one who actually got me this car, he took it out, drove it, put 10-15 miles on it, and he said it really runs out strong. It's got a nasty little cammed up 400 underneath the hood, 4-speed manual trans, and again, it is a true Super Sport, guys. Good looking car. You can see it's got the cowl hood. It's got a set of 15-inch American Racing torque thrusts all the way around it with Goodyear integrity. I think Goodyear integrity rubber all the way around it. Looks like most of this stuff up here is new or newer. The grill is definitely original, but like your headlight buckets, that stuff looks new. New bumpers, and again, slick Regal red paint. Dash pad in there is nice. Oh, when we get to it, we've ordered a new cowl seal for this. I guess the cowl seal had tore, so we just ordered a new one. They're very cheap, so instead of leaving that old funky one on there, we replaced it. Again, your trimming here is nice. Those are nice. You see the aftermarket speakers. It's got an aftermarket sound system in it. You can see all those bezels, all that stuff's new. New tail panel on it. That's really nice. Nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. Rear drum brakes. They've converted it to front disc brakes. It's got slotted and drilled rotors. I don't know if you can see them in there. That car looks good, man. Again, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. 400 Chevrolet small blocks. Got a nice little cam in it. It's got the GM double hump heads. It's got the old style Ram's horn, high performance exhaust manifolds, chrome air cleaner, and Chevrolet valve covers. Edelbrock 650 car with an Edelbrock aluminum intake. Does have front disc brakes, 4-speed manual trans. It's got custom oil pan on it. HEI distributor. This is a hot little deuce right here. Slick paint. Whoever laid the paint down, I mean, it is nice. I mean, it is really slick paint. Love the little cowl hood on it. Again, cowl seals on the way with the floor mats. You can nitpick those A-pillar chrome a little bit. It's got new mirrors on it. It's got both sides. It's got the bow tie mirrors. This stuff here looks original. Looks like new door handles. Oh, it's missing the little trim there too. Shoot. I wonder if my guys know that. I'll check on that. They may actually have that, guys. Looks like most of the interior is just brand new. Again, this car was supposedly just done. New carpet. I will check on this door trim too. Dome light works. Looks like original steering wheel. A couple little marks on it. It's supposed to be 72,000 original miles. There's supposed to not be very many miles on the rest though, guys. Factory dash. Again, it's got an aftermarket radio in it. AM, FM, Bluetooth. Aftermarket oil pressure and temp gauge there. Padded dash. It's got the Hurst shifter. Of course, it's got the center console. Center console is really nice. New floor mats are on the way. Got the rubber mats for it. It does have frame ties. Again, 4-speed manual transmission. It's not a big monster gear. It's 10-bolt rear like a 323. Not a big gear. It's just something you can definitely cruise. Sorry, missed a little dust there. It's all spackled up like it should be here in the trunk. Neat little car. Killer paint. Paint really pops on the car. Yeah, nice underneath. Thinned aluminum rear cover. Listen on both sides here. I'll check that, guys. I'm surprised my guys wouldn't have said something. So maybe we got it and we just didn't put it on. And seats are really nice. Back seat looks good. These have definitely been redone. Dash is clean. I know the blower motor works. Neat little car. You hear that cam, man? It's got a hot little cam in it. Nice little rumble. I mean, this thing's detailed up really nice. And we're not going to run it down the road. It's just too sloppy. Just make a mess of them. But nice and cam. Fuel gauge works. That's about all that's up there. The clock's not working. You can see it's holding good oil pressure right there. Damn hits, man. Let's put his 4-way in. Sounds good. Radio works. Temp gauge works. And blower motor does work. These open and close nice.